AI is advancing fast, but could it wipe out millions of jobs? If that happens, is the government prepared to help workers caught in the fallout? You need to know now. Despite rapid advances in artificial intelligence, economists are divided on whether AI will trigger mass unemployment. Some warn that automation could disrupt entire industries, while others believe new roles will emerge. This uncertainty means no one can confidently predict the timing or scale of job losses yet, leaving workers and policymakers in a difficult position to plan ahead. In the event that AI causes significant unemployment, questions loom about the ability of the federal safety net to support displaced workers. Current programs like unemployment insurance and social welfare may not be sufficient to handle a sudden surge in claims. Economists, including the New York Times, chief economics correspondent Ben Casselman, highlight the need to evaluate and possibly strengthen these systems before a crisis hits. Industries relying heavily on routine tasks, such as manufacturing and transportation, may be the first affected by AI automation. This could leave millions of workers suddenly without income, affecting their families and communities. The potential scale of displacement emphasizes why understanding and preparing the safety net is urgent right now. As the debate continues, some policymakers are exploring options like expanding unemployment benefits, retraining programs, or even universal basic income. However, no consensus has emerged yet. These discussions are critical because the choices made today will determine how well the economy and workers can weather future AI-driven disruptions. Given the uncertainty and potential risks, you can take steps now to prepare. Focus on developing skills that are hard to automate, such as creative problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and complex communication. Staying informed about policy changes and economic trends will help you anticipate shifts and adapt quickly if AI impacts your industry. AI could reshape the job market dramatically, but the timeline and impact remain unclear. Preparing yourself with adaptable skills and understanding the federal safety net's evolving role is more important than ever. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to Daily Q&A for updates on this fast-moving story.